And here's some modification to strongly consider if you've got a supercharged personal watercraft. There's an air hose that runs oily air from your crankcase into your air intake system. That line is necessary to vent the crankcase as the pistons go up and down. But the problem is you can't just vent the oily air into the atmosphere because of emissions requirements. So the oily air is pumped back into your air intake system and through your supercharger, and if you have an intercooler, through your intercooler as well. Not only does this rob your machine of some of its power, it causes oil to accumulate in your air intake system, including your supercharger and your intercooler if you have one. Oil accumulation in your intercooler not only causes it to run less efficiently, it means that you have to clean it out every once in a while. So instead, you can install a catch can which takes that oily air away from the intake system and puts it into a catch can which is ventilated into the atmosphere. And the canister can be easily emptied when it fills with oil. The result is that your machine can breathe clean air that it can burn efficiently and eliminates the oil buildup in your system.